I'm going to revive YouTube from the Arctic Ocean because Donald and Goofy sent him to Arctic Ocean. So let's go.
Wow. I am now relieved. Thank you, sound effect. You saved my life.
You're welcome, YouTube. Now it's time for me to take you home. Alright, YouTube. Have a good day. Stay safe.
Thank you. I'll do whatever I want.
Oh no you don't. YouTube. You just got revived by sound effect? How dare you being revived by sound effect? You are supposed to be dead forever because you tried to kill one giraffe. And sound effect. How dare you revive YouTube? You know he's a bad boy for terminating me for no reason. That's it. I'm calling your parents right now.
No 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 fuck 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 fuck.
And YouTube. You are grounded for being revived. Go to your room right now.
Wah 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 wah.
Sound effect. How dare you revive YouTube from the Arctic Ocean? You know that he is a bad boy for terminating Donald Duck and Goofy whilst Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse for no reason. That's it. You are grounded until YouTube stopped terminating Donald Duck and Goofy whilst Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse now. Have a new environment.
Whoa.